In the manufacturing industry, multiple SPM machines has to reverse rotate the jigs or fixtures, which could lead to cable stretch or shorting problems. These reverse rotations of the jigs also increases the cycle time of the machines, which reduces the production capacity. Lots of time, such rotating machines also have fixed nature of the jigs that causes the machine to make a single kind of part at one time. As we know, in manufacturing industry, the cycle time is one of the most important factor, which really matters to improve overall plant efficiency. To resolve such issues, we offer our RFST series wireless products to connect all the proximity sensors and reed switches. These sensors can be mounted on any type of jig with PLC without control wires or any mechanical rotating bush bars. Our wireless products allows the users to design multiple jigs and build different parts on the same machine. This innovative idea have already improved the overall efficiency of such machines per cycle and prevented the risk of future breakdowns due to cable break and stretch problems. If you want to know more, you can contact our sales representative to discuss your new ideas with us so you can execute to make your machines more efficient. To know more, contact us. If you find this video helpful, please like and share it with your team, for whom our products could be helpful. Once again, thank you for watching till the end.